Hi, my name is Natalie. I've been doing competitive cheerleading for 7 years now at Extreme Spirit All Stars. During my 7 years, I've had a lot of struggles along the way, but I still enjoy every second of it.
Do you have any major injuries from participating in cheer?
I do have a few major injuries. A few years ago, I broke my arm at cheer practice. When it broke, I was doing stuff that I've been doing for months. I was really shocked. I blacked out when it happened for a few seconds. It still causes pain sometimes, and my arm's still a little big. It's still recovering, but I still keep pushing through, and I've accomplished many things after breaking it.
What is it like being at the cheer competitions?
The cheer competitions are very scary, but really fun and noisy. You get to meet many different people from many different places, and participate in a lot of different activities like dance parties before awards, and taking pictures with cool backgrounds and props. But you're also super nervous the whole time, especially during awards, because at awards, the crowd goes silent and the announcer starts talking. He also starts from last place to first place, so you're super nervous when you're going to hear your name or not.
How many competitions have you won?
Way too many to count, but this season we've won 3 out of 4.
What is your biggest accomplishment?
My biggest cheer accomplishment would be going and winning a cheer competition called The One. It's a huge cheer competition that you have to be invited to, and me and my team were super nervous because it was so big. There were so many teams from all over the place, and we were shocked that we won and got the title of being called The One.
What is something inspirational that you have learned while being in competitive cheer?
In competitive cheer, I've learned to never give up. During cheer, we've lost a lot, but we've also won a lot, and we've even been cheated before. But I always do my best and never give up on myself or my teammates.